Naasad siya duha ka pansit canton. Kani siya calamansi and then original. Kani sad siya duha ka noodles nga chicken o duha ka beef nga noodles. Syempre dili pwede nga walay kape and Milo, of course. And ang among family food packs na ginay shampoo, syempre sa hygiene kit na mo. And then of course isa ka bar nga soap. And most important thing is tulo ka toothbrush and isa ka toothpaste. I will pack it all into the bag to show you. So napack na nako siya. So ingani na siya. Uy, bugat mo kalipay. So mo na ni na busy na gid mi diri guys. Mo ni ang amo ang team nga nagpack gid ani, makalipay kaayo. Thank you so much to Attorney Mac Kilaneta for letting us use that quarters. Hi, syempre nagputos-putos mi diri no, og bugas. Muni siya diri nga area. Go Tita Cherry, go Lebian. Tony, you put the canned goods first sa ilalom, pinaka-ilalom, canned goods first. Sige, kana. Karong tuiga dapat mahumandong. Come on.
Nag-help me si Mac Kaleta.
Kila. Noodles sa dudoy. Agoy ni nga bata. Noodles first. Yeah, no, the canned goods. Finish na. O, then the noodles in the side. So, syempre, busy kayo sila, no? Laban lang kita ani nga side. So, ang among Valentine's Day extra special yun because instead of buwak, instead of bugas, we gave them an entire family food pack. Mo gini siya ang one of the most important lessons nga akong itudlo kay Tony is always to be a man for others, especially when he was born with a purpose and he was made to live. And his life truly is more meaningful by sharing every year, and that is something that I want him to learn from me. My legacy, and one of the things that I want him to inherit from both me and Ed. Nga dapat, kung blessed ka, you should be a blessing to others. Ingat!